On tonight's episode,
we're going UDR. And we're going to unbox the new
Enduro kit.
Yeah, the new Enduro kit.
Enduro.
So yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
The Elements RC Hobbies Show airs every Friday, 7 o'clock on Facebook and YouTube. And what do we cover, Chris?
We cover running videos, we do build videos, we do customer setups, we have special guests, we cover local events.
We race all across Western Canada, and we always love to show footage from all the events that we do have and we do enter. Welcome.
Welcome.
Episode 73.
73.
Ultra RC Hobby Show.
Aaron.
Chris. We're here to blow your mind with UDR footage.
Yes, we have much sendage to give you.
Yes.
To send to you.
To send to you.
Yes.
So this has been kind of something we've been working on. We've got a lot of footage over the last 3 weeks or so.
Yeah.
I mean, you've got a lot of footage. You almost killed me.
I've done a lot of sending.
He almost killed me too.
Yeah.
There was the live from last week, Thursday. We were at the east side of the weir.
Yeah, in the university there.
There's a whole bunch of gravel pits in there, and you'll see some footage of that later. But during the live, Chris wasn't sure where he wanted me to stand. So I was filming, and I lost the UDR coming up the takeoff, but it kind of angled towards me, and it legitimately was right in front of my face, and it was probably the sketchiest thing I've ever done because this is a 12-pound truck.
15.
And you will die.
15.8.
You will die if you take it to the head. That's
yes.
The end of the discussion.
It is hefty.
So, I guess first off, what do you want to do first? You want to do the kit, or do you want to just go right to footage?
Let's show them some of this footage.
Yeah, we can break it up. We'll show some footage, Enduro, and then more footage?
More footage.
Okay, we'll do that. First part, 1 of 2 footage of UDR sendage. Oh! Nice. That's perfect. Took it like a champ. Not so much. Nice. That's perfect. So,
what do we get?
The brand new Elements RC Enduro Builders kit.
Yes.
So no body, no wheels and tires, and it's a box full of awesome. So let's talk about.
We always want to talk about the box, guys.
What do we get first? So it's kind of cool. This does have a whole bunch of cool stuff in it.
Yeah.
So first off, this is kind of something that was started with Tamiya, and then HPI did it on the Venture.
Yes.
But now this also offers behind the axle steering. So instead of the steering link being in front of the axle, where the tires would go, is actually behind the axle, where the drive shaft goes.
So you're not going to worry about smashing that steering link into rocks, smashing the servo, anything like that. Everything's nice behind.
Yep. And it's going to be nice and tough.
It doesn't look as scale because you don't see anything up front, but there's more utility to it.
Yep. The chassis-mounted servo also has a winch mount, which is super cool. You get aluminum threaded body shocks, aluminum cap shocks. I think they're going to be like a 90mm shock, if memory serves me about correct. There is 3 wheelbases you can build this on, so 12.3, 12-inch, or 11.8-inch wheelbases, so you can kind of mix and match depending on the body you want to put on this. As you can probably tell, the box is pretty thin, so this does not come with wheels, tires, or a body.
Or electronics.
Or electronics. So you do have to complete this. Good call, electronics.
Pure builder's kit.
Yeah, correct. So this would be very comparable to the raw builder's kit from Axial for the new SCX-10-2. Other cool thing about this truck, though, and I mean, this is what Chris is really pumped about, it's that transmission.
Ah, yeah. I don't know if I'm pumped about it. I'm more interested to see how it works.
True. So if you don't know and you haven't done any research on this yet, the new Enduro comes with an overdrive front gear ratio through the transmission and a standard gear ratio at the back.
Yes.
So essentially what that's going to do is gonna, instead of making the front diff a different gear ratio to speed the tires up, it's going to do it right in the transmission, and then the diffs in the front and the rear are going to have the exact same ring and pinion ratio instead of like axial, where you could build it with
or
overdrive
Traxxas.
or Traxxas.
Yeah.
You build it as overdrive. So yeah, he's pretty pumped. But yeah, it's all metal gears inside that transmission, so no need to update. But yeah, let's open it up after and we'll see what's going on. Hit the button. New Element RC
Enduro.
Builders
110 scale off-road builders kit.
So here's the box. So
Check out the
scale,
box.
110, off-road, electric. Hey, stop! Thank you. So yeah, it has all its stuff there. The biggest thing with this kit is it's obviously going to be a kit. It's going to be a builder's kit, so you do have to build it, and you do have to add all your electronics. You also have to add a body.
And wheels
and tires. That is correct.
So you still want to show more box?
I still want to show more box. Because we kind of talked about it. So behind the axle steering, aluminum steering plates, forward behind the axle steering, integrated servo winch mount, a whole bunch of different wheelbases so you can build this different. So 12-inch or 11.8 inch. The transmission, the biggest thing that really separates this apart from all the other kits.
Overdrive, underdrive.
That's correct. And aluminum shocks.
Aluminium.
So there you go. Pretty excited. So Chris, do the honors, buddy. Open her up. Oh. Hey, whoa, timeout.
The box is also a scale garage, so you can take it apart and park your new kit inside said scale garage.
That's killer. I love it. Okay, so that's the biggest thing. Everyone normally throws their boxes out.
Okay.
We're actually going to use the box as a scale garage after this is built.
So what do we got in here?
What's bag number one, my friend?
Bag number one, it looks like we've got the side rails along with the receiver box and shock towers and a few other little chassis braces.
Very nice.
Second one, looks like we got two different sizes of battery trays, so you can run shorty or long pack if you like, along with all your plastic ball ends.
Really?
I know, that's the one downside. They give you metal rod ends and everything, but plastic ball ends, folks. This is the heavy bag. So we got our transmission in here. So
all machine gears.
all our input machine gears, all our over and underdrive gears, two different options you can run. So you can run 50-50 or overdriven.
The 50-50 will be an optional
Yes.
part that you will have to buy separate as well. I thought I just
Is
mentioned
it? I thought it came with it.
that. No, it is an optional part.
And, okay, so one downside I have with this is it's the 48 pitch.
Ooh.
Yeah, 48 pitch spur.
Ooh.
So, I
Okay,
mean-
fair. I mean, I have a downside too, but we'll continue on, and I'll show you later.
Body posts. This kit looks fairly axial-ish.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Fairly, like yeah. Nice aluminum shocks. Nice
Threaded
size on them
bodies,
too.
too.
Threaded bodies and everything.
Delrin guides, which is nice.
Aluminum lower mounts and everything. So that's
Yeah,
pretty nice.
Nice O-rings and seals. Hopefully
Yep.
these are better than axials. I mean, it's nice, a nice top off, a nice steel aluminum looking body
Yeah.
with the nice anodized blue.
Yeah,
I mean,
definitely
it gives it
looks
kind of
nice.
that look.
So we got our drive shaft pieces here with their CVDs and everything.
Very
And it looks like
HDs.
yeah, except for the only difference is they use the aluminum center section.
That is true.
So a little bit more strength in there.
Yeah.
So then we've got our diffs. So here's the rear diff. Very small ring and pinion, very similar to the axial design.
And it's helical cut too.
Yeah, helical cut gearing as well.
So kinda
Now,
cool.
there are two gears in the front and rear diff that they do not run seals on.
Bearings, you mean?
So those are the side.
You said gears.
Yeah, sorry, bearings.
Bearings. No, I knew what you were on. That's kind of weird. A
Yes.
non-even sealed bearing. Like it's not even like
The
a
weird
hybrid.
thing was when I built my SCX 10-2 kit,
Uh-huh.
the two side bearings were the same thing.
So did you just pack it full of grease?
Yeah, I just packed them right full of grease, outer butter.
I mean, that's all you can pretty much do.
Exactly. So next we got our links. Nice steel links in here. You got a nice bent one for the steering. Same with the rod ends and everything.
Yeah, the rod ends are
Screws
gonna
in
be
there as
are
well.
gonna be like the same material that they use on like the B6 rod ends.
Buggies and everything, yep.
Yeah, so they are gonna be like a really heavy duty plastic rod end, but it's just kind of weird that they give you nice steel links with good heavy duty plastic rod ends, but then
But
give
plastic
you
ball ends.
Yeah,
Oh,
plastic
upgrade
ball
option, you know?
I
Gotta
guess.
squeeze a little bit of money out of the people.
What else is in here, buddy?
We got some shock oil, 3,000 or 300 CST, and then some assembly grays.
Always a good idea. Always to use the Udder Butter too, or any good waterproof.
Exactly. And then we've got our front diff as well. The splines on the front diff and this design looks very similar to the SCX-10 too.
Yeah, I would agree with that.
As well on here, we've got 2 bearings without the seals as well.
So just like you talked about before. Yeah,
Exactly.
So
One-piece diffs as opposed to the SCX-10 having 2-piece.
Correct.
Except for I think the new ones are 1-piece. Like
I think
the new
like
AR axles.
Yeah, the cheaper single piece AR-44s. Yeah.
And then we got our frame rails. So pretty basic C-channel frame rail. The only big thing I notice is on the front, they do a really nice drop, whereas most of the companies do like a sweep. So that's a little bit more of a realistic looking design, I think.
Yeah, I would agree with that. And
Maybe I'll do a frame rail swap on my TRX.
This is really what I'm interested in. I mean, this is what I always talk about.
How's the instructions, right?
This is always what I talk about being the biggest thing. Oh, come on, use scissors, man. Use something nice. Chris is just always Captain Car Ramrod.
Captain, rip it open.
Yeah, Captain, just rip it open. Let's see what we got here.
Stickers.
Come with stackers.
Couple element stickers.
Oh, look at this. So this is
upgrade option parts.
this is going to be your upgrade parts. So they have the new Kashima coated shocks already, some wheel options, and there's your metal rod end inserts right there. Dang it. Springs, winch fairleads, some different transmission gears.
This almost looks like an axial instruction booklet.
Yeah. Very nice. Okay, flip it around. I want to see. Oh, it's not even colored. Huh.
No.
Okay, fair. Does it look like it's super detailed, like most Associated? Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
See, this is the nice thing with Associated, and Techno does lots of this too. They give you like good notes, give you really good instructions and clear, where it's like, I want you to use black grease here.
Yes.
The only downside is they don't give us black grease.
Well, assembly grease.
But they clearly state that they want black grease. And that clearly states, oh no, I dropped it. This clearly states assembly grease. I don't know. Interesting. Very interesting.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is also something that's weird about Associated too. All of the screw sizing is on the side. They don't give it per chart.
Yeah.
Very, very weird. Very, very weird. But that's been a common thing.
Yeah, it looks like a pretty decent. Oh, looks like, what do we got in the back? Oh, we got separate parts here. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, very cool.
So if you want to pull things apart afterwards individually, and you just want exploded views, you've got the front, rear, your drive shafts, and everything right there.
This is something Associated's done for quite a while, which is nice. I like it. But yeah, so
index.
First impressions, Chris. What are you thinking?
It looks cool. It looks almost like an SCX-10 too, with a few twists to it. But we'll put it together and see how it drives. I really like the aluminum shocks. The over and under drive gearing in the transmission is going to be exciting to find out how it works. So
I like it.
I'm excited.
But yeah, this is the big thing too. Scale garage. So you take the box apart and you get a scale garage that you can actually park your finished product
garage door in there and everything.
Yeah. So you reedy, Element RC, and some graffiti style lettering. You get AE garage, the door. So yeah, pretty cool. I mean, that's a cool little add-on.
Twist, right?
Yeah. So perfect. Well, let's get building this beast.
Let's do it. Well, I'm pretty excited to build that kit.
Me too. So over the next couple episodes, we'll be building it, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yes.
I think really everyone just wants to see us unbox it. That was like the general consensus over YouTube.
They just want to see it.
Yeah. But anyway.
I just want to put that transmission together. That's the biggest thing I want to see.
So I can build everything else except for the transmission?
Yeah, I just want a transmission.
Okay. Deal?
Yeah.
Fair trade. Okay, so moving along, we're going to show you more UDR footage.
Yes. I was out in the back alley the other day, and we brought out the Ultra jumps and did some sending. Back alley behind my place. Yeah.
I didn't think that allowed you out there anymore.
Really?
Sorry.
How did you know that? Shut up.
Okay, yeah, so UDR footage, back alley. Not at Deeb's house, though.
that's it.
The end.
Episode 73.
73. So if you didn't catch on last week's episode, we ended with, where would you like us to race the UDRs? And we only had one reply.
And what was it?
It was dirt or sand.
I like sand.
I think he says dirt because it's a racer. Desert.
True.
No, desert because it was for sand. That was from Kevin Rudd. So he said sand.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So yeah,
Better look out because we do sand. I'm bringing out the paddles, buddy.
Dang it. Oh, you cheat.
Oh, I got no tread.
You got no traction. Is that my fault you run on concrete too much?
No.
Yes. Yeah. Anyway, so we have a cool announcement. So the guys at Beachin RC are holding a fun run event August 11th. So we're pretty pumped with that in Regina Beach. It'll be from 10 to
8.
10 to 8. Oh,
Yes.
crap. I was going to say 10 to 6.
It's a long day they got planned out.
So yeah, Chris is going to go down there, get some footage. I think there's a couple other guys from Saskatoon going down there to Regina Beach to go trailing. So if you want more information about that, go and check the Beachin RC website or Facebook page.
Yes.
I will have a link down below in the description if you're watching this on YouTube to get more information about that event. But yeah, that's the end. Episode 73.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to share with all your friends on Facebook.
Yes.
Hit that bell if you're on YouTube right now for the reminder, because we do drop videos. And you can see we dropped the Enduro Builders Kit unboxing before this video. So if you didn't see it before then, you should have turned the bell on because you would have had it 2 or 3 days
You
previous
would
to
have
this
known
video.
about it.
That's correct. Don't forget to check out our Facebook lives.
So
Teenage Mutant Ninja Mario.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Mario.
Teenage
Look.
Mutant Ninja. Oh, dude, that's crooked as the frig.
Is it?
Yeah.
Welcome, folks.
Every Thursday, usually about 6 o'clock. We have been a little bit later than normal because we've been actually going and doing some trailing. This weekend we had a whole bunch planned with a whole bunch of people going out, so as long as Mother Nature cooperates, you should see some footage of that.
Yeah, it was fun. Predicting the future.
Da-da-da. But yeah, so don't forget to check him out on Snapchat, Facebook, and
Instagram.
No, I lied. So it's just actually Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.
Yes.
RC Deebs, Snapchat, DJ Deebert. Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies.com. And don't forget to check us out on all the social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and Snapchat. Ultra RC Hobbies are pretty easy to get a hold of. But thank you for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, it's Traxxas hat.